Tecaris Plus. Video manual. Electrode heater settings and operation. Switching on the unit. Settings. Press the settings button. Language. Global settings. Date and time. Sounds. Volume. Display. Functional settings. Channel operation mode selection. Select the operation mode that will start automatically after switching the unit on. Program groups, medical fields. Select the presentation method of the treatment sequences in program mode. Channel selection window. Once the function has been selected, it will be necessary to indicate which applicator will be in use before the treatment begins. Control functions. Date of inspection. Treatment time. Adjust how the time of the treatment or stage of the sequence should be counted. Other. Test touch panel. Delete user programs and sequences. Simplified interface. Information about the unit. Manufacturer data. Distributor data. Service data. Unit statistics. Operation of the electrode heater in a dedicated trolley. Switching on the heater. Use the knob on the back of the trolley to adjust the desired temperature of the heater. The heater symbol on the LED display will indicate the heating is on. Place the passive electrode in the heater.